State Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma held a review meeting yesterday in the presence of advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang and other officials of the Education Department. The Education Minister said that over 18,000 teachers in Meghalaya are untrained. Informing this, Sangma said the state government will request Indira Gandhi National Open University IGNOU and National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS to provide training to the untrained teachers. The minister further informed that Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will lead a delegation to Delhi and meet the Union Minister of Human Resources Development for this very issue.
Yeah, more than 18,000. I don't have exact number figure right now with me. We'll be taking up this issue like to request the NIOS and the IGNOU to give us more to send our teachers to be trained in the IGNOU and the NIOS, because we have the very limited seat in the state institution like DLA, the DIET. We will be going to Delhi to meet Union of Minister Human Resource Development along with our Honorable Chief Minister to discuss to price certain issues regarding to Education Department, probably in the state, just for example CUT issues